Hello friends, today we are going to learn about acids, bases and salts complete lesson.
Acids. Some substances like orange, curd, and tamarind have a sour taste. This is due to the presence of a substance called acid in them. Substances that contain acid are known as acidic substances. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere, meaning sour. Types of acids: mineral acid, organic acid. Based on the sources they are obtained from, acids are of two types: organic acids, mineral acids. Organic acids, acids that are naturally obtained from plants and animal sources, are called organic acids. Examples of organic acids and their sources: lactic acid, curd, milk; oxalic acid, spinach, tomatoes; citric acid, oranges, lemons; malic acid, apples; tartic acid, unripe mangoes, grapes; formic acid, ant sting; acetic acid, vinegar; ascorbic acid, amla. Mineral acids, acids that are derived from an inorganic materials or source, are called mineral acids. Mineral acids, nitric acid, hydraulic acid, and sulfuric acids are examples of mineral acids. Mineral acids may be strong or weak based on the way they take part in a chemical reaction. Concentrated and dilute acids. Depending upon the amount of water present in acids, they are categorized into concentrated and dilute acids. Concentrated acids, acids that contain only a small quantity of water, are called concentrated acids. Dilute acids, acids that contain more water than concentrated acids, are called dilute acids. They can be obtained by adding water to a concentrated acid. Properties of acids. Acids are sour to taste. Acids can corrode metals like aluminum and iron due to their corrosive nature. That is why acids are stored in glass containers and not in metal containers. Most of the mineral acids cause burns, so care should be taken while handling these acids. Acids are soluble in water. Acid reacts with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Example: magnesium plus hydraulic acid is equal to magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Acids react with bases to form salt and water. Example: sodium hydroxide plus hydraulic acid equal to sodium chloride plus water. Acids react with carbonates to form salt and carbon dioxide gas. Example: calcium carbonate plus hydraulic acid equal to calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Uses of acids. Hydraulic acid. It is used in steel industries to remove rust from iron. It is used as an active ingredient in synthesis of many chemicals, example glue. It is used to maintain the acidity of a solution and in wastewater treatment. It is used in the process of leather and in the purification of common salt. It is used in the industries to remove deposits formed inside the boilers. This process is called discoloring. It is used during the manufacture of food additives. Nitric acid. It is used in the synthesis of fertilizers. It is used in the production of explosives. It is used in the purification of gold and silver. It is used as a main component in liquid-fueled rockets.
Sulfuric acid. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is used in the production of nylon. It is used as an industrial cleaning agent to remove rust from automobiles. It is used as an electrolyte in the car batteries. It is used as an ingredient in the manufacture of drugs related to mouth ulcers. It is used as a major ingredient in the acidic dry cleaners to remove grease. It is used in the refining of oil and in the process of wastewater. It is mainly used in the food supplement as a raw material. It is used as a solvent. Bases.
Some substances like soap, shampoos, and cleaning agents have a bitter taste and are slippery to touch. This is due to the presence of a substance called base in them. Substances that contain bases are called basic substances.
Types of bases.
Based on how they take part in a reaction, bases are of two types, strong base and weak base. Strong base. Some of the bases are corrosive in nature and may result in skin burns. Such bases are called strong bases. Examples are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide. Weak bases. Some of the bases are not corrosive in nature. Such bases are called weak bases. Examples are magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and copper hydroxide. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter to taste. Bases turns red litmus to blue. Bases are slippery to touch. Some of the bases are soluble in water. They are called alkalis. Example, potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Some bases are insoluble in water and are not alkalis. Bases are corrosive in nature, so they should not be touched with bare hands. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. Ammonium hydroxide plus hydraulic acid equal to ammonium chloride plus water.
Bases reacts with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Sodium hydroxide plus zinc equal to sodium zincate plus hydrogen.
Uses of bases. Hydroxide is commonly known as caustic soda. It is used as a major ingredient in the manufacture of soaps and detergents. It is used in paper textiles and plastic industries. It is used in the food processing industries for washing and chemical cleaning of fruits and vegetables. It is used as a cleaning material to unclog clogged drains and to clean waste discharge pipes. Calcium hydroxide is commonly known as lead lime. It is used as an additive in the cement industry. It is used in the storage of fruits and vegetables as it can absorb the extra carbon dioxide and maintain the oxygen to carbon dioxide ratio. It is used in the processing of water that can be used in soft drinks and alcoholic beverages. It is used in the treatment of wastewater before it is deposited off. It is used as an main component in utilization of the soil, which helps in enhancing the growth of plants. Ammonium hydroxide is commonly known as ammonia. It is used as a major ingredient in various cleaning agents. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, example ammonium nitrate. Magnesium hydroxide is commonly known as milk of magnesia due to its milk-like appearance. It is widely used as an anti-acid to neutralize acidity in the stomach. It is used along with hydraulic acid in fire extinguishers. Potassium hydroxide is commonly known as potash. It is used in the refining of petroleum. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers and soft soaps. It is used in the preparation of alkaline batteries due to its electrolyte properties.
Neutral substances. Substances that are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral substances. These substances do not change the color of any indicator. For example, common salt. Indicators. Substances that assist in determining whether a given substance is acidic or basic in nature, with the help of a color change, are called indicators. Indicators help in deciding whether a given substance is acid, base, neutral by changing the color. They will not affect the nature of the solution to be tested, and a very little quantity of indicator is sufficient to observe the color change. Turmeric, China rose, and litmus are some of the naturally used indicators. Phenolphthalein, litmus, and methyl orange indicators are used commonly in laboratories. Natural indicators. Litmus. Litmus is the most commonly used natural indicator extracted from lichens. Two types of litmus are available in the form of a solution, referred to as litmus solution, and as strip of paper called litmus paper. If acidic substances are added to blue litmus, it turns red, while red litmus turns blue when basic substances are added to it. Turmeric that is used in the kitchen can also be used as one of the natural indicators for bases. In acidic and neutral substances, the turmeric solution remains yellow in color, while in basic substances it turns brick red in color. China rose. China rose or hibiscus juice obtained from the petals is used as a natural indicator. If acidic substances are added, it turns dark pink in color, while adding basic substances make the juice green. This is a pH scale. pH scale is a numerical representation of the acidity and basicity of substances. It varies from 1 to 14. Solutions with a pH value of less than 7 are referred to as acids. The one with a pH value of more than 7 are referred to as bases, and those with a pH value of 7 are referred to as neutral. Universal indicators. Universal indicators are compounds that show a gradual change in color to indicate the acidity or basicity for pH value from 1 to 14.
These indicators are available both as strips of paper called pH paper and as solution. Find the pH value of unknown solution. The change in the color of the substances can be compared with that of the standard color chart. The colors that indicate the pH value of a solution after the addition of a universal indicator are given in image.
Other indicators used in laboratories. Phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator is one of the most commonly indicator in laboratories. When it is added to basic substances, the solution turns pink, whereas when added to acidic substances, the solution becomes colorless. Methyl orange indicator. Methyl orange indicator. It is also one of the commonly used indicators in laboratories. When it is added to basic substances, the solution turns yellow, whereas when added to acidic substances, the solution turns red. Salts. Acids react with bases, they can neutralize one another's specific properties. Example acidic and basic properties. Substances that are produced as a result of neutralization between acids and bases are called salts. The reaction in which acids react with bases resulting in the formation of salts and water are called neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide equal to sodium chloride plus water plus heat. Following are some neutralization reactions that we observe in our everyday life. In the treatment of ant sting, some people are highly allergic to ant sting as it releases formic acid. It is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate on the affected area. In the treatment of indigestion, hydrochloric acid secreted in the stomach helps in the digestion of food. However, its excess secretion could lead to acidity and indigestion. Milk of magnesia is used to neutralize the acid. In the treatment of soil, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with slaked lime or quicklime, which is a base. If the soil is too basic, it is treated with organic matter such as fertilizers that are obtained from vegetables or fruits as they are acidic in nature. In the treatment of sewage waste, the waste of many factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into water bodies, these wastes will affect aquatic organisms. Slaked lime is often used to neutralize this acidic waste let out from the factories. It works to remove only the acidic content of the industrial waste and not any other chemicals that may be present. In the treatment of acid burns, during acid burns, the affected part of the body should be cleaned with cold water and a dilute solution of baking soda should be applied. It acts as a neutralization agent to make it harmless. The solution used should be dilute, otherwise it can harm the affected region. Types of salts. Salts can be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Some examples of salts are given in table. Salts, sulfates obtained from
Sulfuric acid, example, copper sulfate. Salts, chlorides obtained from hydraulic acid, example, sodium chloride. Salt, nitrates obtained from nitric acid, example, sodium nitrate. Salts, carbonates obtained from carbonic acid, example, sodium carbonate. Salts. Acidic salts are formed when strong acids react with weak base. These salts have a pH value of less than 7. Examples are ammonium chloride and aluminium chloride. Hydraulic acid plus ammonium chloride equal to ammonium chloride plus water plus heat. Basic salts. Basic salts are formed when strong bases react with weak acids. These salts have a pH value of more than 7. Examples are sodium carbonate and sodium acetate. Acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide equal to sodium acetate plus water plus heat. Neutral salts. Neutral salts are formed when strong acids react with strong bases. These salts have a pH value of 7. Examples are sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, and calcium sulfate. Hydraulic acid plus sodium hydroxide equal to sodium chloride plus water plus heat. Properties of salts. Most of the salts are soluble in water. Three are few exceptions, for example, calcium carbonate. Solutions of salt in water acts as good conductors of electricity. Some salts are white crystals, whereas some are colored. For example, copper sulfate is blue in color and ferrous sulfate is green. Some salts contain water molecules trapped inside them. This is referred to as water of crystallization. The salts that contain water of crystallization are referred to as hydrated salts. Example, blue vitriol. Two or more salts that crystallize. More salts that crystallize to form a single substance are referred to as mixed salts. Example, alum. Properties of salts. Salts can be prepared by following any of these three methods. By making an acid react with a base. By making an acid react with a metal. By making vegetable oil react with caustic soda. Uses of salts. Salts are useful to us in several ways. For examples, salts of iodine, calcium, potassium, sodium and magnesium are essential for the growth of our body. Uses of some common salt are given in table. Sodium chloride, table salt or common salt. It is used as a major ingredient in cooking and as a food preservative. Sodium carbonate, washing soda. It is widely used as a detergent. Sodium nitrate, cheese plate. It is widely used as a fertilizer in the manufacture of gunpowder and as a food additive. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. It is widely used as a baking agent in medicines and as a fire extinguisher. Calcium carbonate, limestone. It is used in the construction of buildings, purification of iron, and also a dietary supplement. Potassium nitrate, Natri. It is used in fireworks and in manufacture of fertilizers. Calcium sulfate, plaster of Paris. It is widely used in the cement industry and in the synthesis of Sulfuric acid. Calcium phosphate. Bone material. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizer and in medicines. Ammonium chloride. Sal ammonic. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers in medicines and also used as a food additive. Potassium aluminum sulfate. Alum. It is used in the purification of water and in the textile industry. Copper sulfate. Blue vitriol. It is used as a fungicide and in the textile industry. Acids, bases and salts keywords. Acids. Substances that taste sour. Organic acid. Acids that are naturally obtained from plants and animal source. Mineral acids. Acids that are derived from an inorganic source. Bases. Substances that taste bitter and are slippery to touch. Alkalis. Bases that are soluble in water. Neutral substances. Substances that are neither acidic or basic. Indicators. Substances that help to determine whether a given substance is acidic or basic with the help of a color change. pH scale. A numerical representation of the acidity and basicity of substances. Salts. Substances that are produced as a result of neutralization between acids and bases. Neutralization reactions. The reactions in which acids react with bases resulting in the formation of salt and water. Water of crystallization. Salts that contain water molecules trapped inside them. Hydrated salts, salts that contain water for crystallization. Mixed salts, two or more salts that crystallize to form a single substance. Acid, bases and salts summary.